Hey YouTube, hope everyone's doing well. We're approaching Halloween. Samantha is in 6th grade this year. Unfortunately, it's 2020. We're in the middle of a pandemic. We've switched to remote learning. There certainly will not be a Halloween parade this year, and we will most likely not go trick or treating at all. But will that prevent us from building a Halloween costume?
No!
No, it's not. So, Sam, what do you want to be this year?
I want to be a robot.
All right, so Sam wants to be a robot. We have with us here a bunch of white boxes. We're gonna mess around and see what kind of a design we can come up with. So, Sam, are you ready to get started?
Yeah!
All right, we're gonna get started and we will check back with you shortly. All right, guys, we're back, and this is what we've done so far. We think we've got the main torso done. We've got the appendages generally done. We decided to go with huge oversized arms. And so as you can see, Sam is already wearing the torso. And let's take a quick look at it, close up. It's just a rectangular box with holes cut out. A triangular shape for the front to make it look more substantial. Sam, turn around real quick. Yeah, nothing in the back, nothing super fancy. So let's try to do a dry fit of the arms and legs and see how it looks. All right, this is what it looks like with the arms and legs on. We're gonna need to extend the legs a little bit to cover the toes. We'll need to put some guns or claws or something to finish off the arms. Inside the arms here, you can see we install a couple of flaps so Sam can, move her arms up and down as she wants. We've got binder clips holding up the arms to the body. We'll need to figure something out more permanent. And same thing with the legs. We'll also need to do the helmet. And I think after that, we'll be in good shape.
Yeah!
All right, guys, we're back one more time and we're pretty much complete. This is what we've done. We built a helmet, pentagon shape, mean looking eyes, taped a couple of horns in the front. We've attached the arms to the shoulders using twisty ties. Did pretty much exactly the same thing for the legs and the torso. We built a couple of feet for the legs so that Sam's toes won't be showing. Did a couple laser cannons. We have a flashlight just taped onto one of the cardboard tubes. On the other arm, we have a set of claws. Let's take a look around the back. The only thing we did was use shoelaces to secure the legs so that they won't move around as much. And I think that's it. Sam, how do you feel? Pretty comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
All right, why don't you do a 360? Looks good. Why don't you walk towards me and make a couple of robot moves? Awesome. How you feeling?
Good.
Ready for Halloween?
Yeah!
All right, guys, this is it. Hope you guys all have a happy Halloween. If you like this video, please subscribe. And one final message to all of our friends, family, coworkers, and subscribers. We know it's been a tough year. Hang in there, stay healthy and safe, and we love you all.
I feel like a crab. I'm not a crab. I can't get in. This is so cool. Meow. Oh. you guys like it?
How'd you make that? That is so good.
Pew 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 pew.
How'd you perfect?